Hello, my name is Steve Thomas and I graduated from King's in 1984. I developed an interest in computers at the school. Back in the day, they had a couple of Commodore PETs. I started programming those there and then decided this was the field I wanted to work in. So I studied computer science at Imperial College London. I joined a small software company and that got acquired by Microsoft, and I've been there ever since. So today I'm a principal group engineering manager at Microsoft. I live and work in Redmond, Washington in America. I've been here over 30 years now. I've had the opportunity to work on quite a few different things at Microsoft, which is how I've been able to stay in one company so long. Examples of a few things I've worked on: email systems, business applications, some early mobile phone stuff. I've worked on Windows 10 deployment, keeping Windows 10 machines updated around the world. And today I'm working on systems for sellers. I enjoy solving problems and building solutions for users. I remember one of my professors said that software engineering was the purest form of engineering, by which I think he meant we're not limited by the load-bearing capabilities of some material, but we are designing information connections, processing patterns, data storage techniques, and these systems can have enormous complexity, thousands, millions of lines of code, and the intellectual challenge to design, understand something so complex and yet to be able to use it to develop a solution, I find to be quite fun. And what do I find most challenging about my role? The pace of change in the software field is quite high based on the continued rapid advances in processing power and memory capacity. So things that my teams are working on now, techniques or approaches we use, just wouldn't have been possible some years ago. So it's a constant process of learning these new capabilities to stay up to date with the state of the art. And I find that keeps everything fresh. And I can't imagine working in a field that didn't change so rapidly. That would seem kind of slow. I think there are multiple different approaches you could start with. Developing a web page or a website is a great way to start and to ease into some programming. Learn a program language or two. I'm not going to specify exactly which ones. There are lots out there. I'd say when I hire people, I'm not focused on exactly what languages they know. I'm looking at their ability to learn, their technical, their passion for technology, their interests, and what they've been able to learn in the past. Some other ideas: you've got a mobile phone, figure out what it takes to write an application and get it onto your mobile phone. There are open source communities on the web where people contribute together to a project. That's a great way, even if you don't feel you're ready to contribute something yourself yet, to watch the changes that other people make and learn from those. So for me, software has been a very fulfilling field. I've had the opportunity at Microsoft to build systems which are used by millions of people around the world.